What is the difference between the team have finished the project and the team has finished the project? Welcome to English with Aga. Before we start, subscribe to my channel and get your free English grammar booklet from the video description. So in this video, we're talking about the differences between have and has. In this example that I have just given you, the team has finished, the team have finished. Both versions are correct, but there is a difference in meaning. A team is a collective noun. A team is a group of people, so you can use singular and plural with it. When you use singular, you're talking about the whole team as a group. You're just talking about the group. The team has finished. It means the group of people. So we're not talking about the individual people that make up the team. We're talking about the unit, the whole group. But when we say that the team have finished, we emphasize the fact that the team is made up of individuals, and we want to highlight that all the individuals in that team have contributed to finishing the project. So that is the difference, but both of them are correct. You may also sometimes hear people using the word family in the same way. So you can say, my family is really nice, or my family are really nice. When you say is, it means my family as a whole, the unit, the group of people. But my family are emphasizes the individuals within the family. So everyone in my family is nice. England have many good players. England has many beautiful cities. Which one is correct? Both are correct. The meaning is different. In the first sentence, I'm talking about England, the national team. England have many good players. England is the team made up of lots of different players. That's why it's plural. England has many beautiful cities. In this sentence, England means the country, and that's why it's singular. Many people have pets, or many people has pets. Which one is correct? In this example, only have is correct. So people is a plural noun, but it means many individuals. That's why we need the plural version of have. Many people have pets. Everyone has a pet, or everyone have a pet. This example is similar. Everyone is similar to many people. However, when we say everyone, we mean every single person. So the emphasis is on the individual person. That's why we need has. Singular. Everyone has a pet. Each person has a pet. A group of people have left the building. A group of people has left the building. Which one is correct? In this sentence, the main subject of the sentence is a group. A group is singular. So we're not matching have or has to people. We're matching the verb to the subject, the group, which is singular. A group of people has left the building. That is the correct answer. You should have told me, or you should has told me. Which one is correct? You should have told me. When we have should, we always say have. We never say has after should. So you should have told me, she should have told me. Have doesn't change, even if it's the third person singular. You should have told me simply means that it was a good idea for you to tell me, but you didn't. She should have told me she was in trouble. It was a good idea for her to tell me, but she didn't do it. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and get your free English grammar booklet from the video description. And I'll see you next time. Bye!